Good morning. Since when I started this law tips, initially there was no uh, welcome, but recently I am happy that multi number of subscribers and followers are watching. Therefore, today onwards I will give lot of information. Today we will discuss about tort. Again, we will come to tort. Tort. There is a difference between tort and crime. Tort is a civil wrong. Crime is the public wrong. Sometimes the act of crime may also result tortious liability, like assault, defamation, negligence, nuisance, and conspiracy. If a person digs a ditch and not caring to protect it, if somebody fell on, yes, he may claim tortious compensation. For having breached the rules by ditching on public road, he is also liable to be fined or imprisoned. Then another important aspect was the distinction between tort and breach of contract and breach of trust. Sometimes a breach of contract and a breach of trust may result in criminal liability also, but not always. So most important thing is Section 2M of the Limitation Act 1963. It defines tort means a civil wrong which is not exclusively a breach of contract or breach of trust. So, tort is a violation of right in rem against the world at large. A's duty not to defame is not towards X, Y, or Z, but against all. Whomever A defames will be entitled to bring an action against him. Breach of contract is a violation of right in person against some determined person. However, sometimes same wrong is both breach of contract and a tort. Then in a tort, motive is most relevant. Motive. If the motive was found good and a wrong had been done to avoid greater evil, the defaulter may escape the liability. In breach of contract, the defaulting party is bound to incur a liability irrespective of motive. So far contract breach is there, motive is not essential, but for tort, direct tort, like defamation, other things, motive is important. So you can give general opinion about the public servant performance, other things. They cannot claim tortious liability against you. The exceptions are there. Particularly, the exceptions plays a vital role. Even Indian Penal Code describes about the importance of exceptions. All Indian Penal Code sections are subject to exceptions. Okay, best wishes.